Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Well guys, today I'm here going to tell you about a short and cute story. Well, it's Aruna and Arun's wedding day. Exactly, they were getting married. So on this occasion, Aruna's mother actually opened a bank account and gave this bank account passbook to Aruna stating these words. Dear, we are going to start off a new journey. Yes. So here is my small gift to you. Well, I have deposited 10,000 for your new journey in your life. And I just wish one thing, my dear. Well, from here on, whenever you have a wonderful occasion and whenever you're feeling so happy, just spend this time with your husband and deposit some amount in the bank. Well, the purpose is not for the depositing, but the purpose is to let you recollect these beautiful memories when required. Okay? And she hands over the passbook to Aruna. Then that day, Aruna actually says this with Arun and says, Dear, look at this. My mother has given a passbook of 10,000 deposited in it, and she stated us to deposit money in all our happy and wonderful occasions. Well, agreed to this, Arun stated, that's a wonderful idea, Aruna. Let's take it up. Then, after a month, it was Arun's birthday after the marriage. His first birthday, exactly. They were feeling so happy. They went ahead and deposited the second amount in their account. And then it followed by Aruna and Arun planned for a great vacation in Bali. Exactly. And they were feeling so happy. As Aruna's mother stated, they went ahead and again deposited some more amount in it. After a few months, Aruna got pregnant and they were even feeling so more happy because a new member is going to join the family, right? They went ahead and deposited 30,000. A few months later, Arun got promoted. They were feeling even more joy. They were thinking a lot of joy is in their family and a lot of good moments happening thereafter. After a period of time, like few years, you know what happened? They started quarreling, guys. They started quarreling for all small issues, for tiny things. They were fighting, quarreling and whatnot. Well, they have come up to that point where they both have agreed to divorce. That's a very sad thing, right? Exactly. They were not able to think that, oh God, where is it even leading to? It's better that we get divorced in the beginning stage rather than going it and making it even more worse. So they both have agreed to it, and well, obviously she wanted to discuss this with her mom. So Aruna called up her mom and stated, Mom, I'm done with this marriage. I don't even know why did I even choose this person to get married. He is so really doesn't understand at all. I think we both are done. I just want to get out of this married life as soon as possible. Then for that, Aruna's mother says, no worry dear, if you really don't think it's going on, then you can just come out of it. Well, hold on. Did I say Aruna's mother was a lawyer? She is, guys. She was a lawyer. So what she told, she just said, Aruna, I understand that you're not able to keep up this marriage. It's of no use even to stay in such a poor marriage. Do one thing, dear. Just clear off everything and come. But before you come, I have given you a passbook, if you remember, in order to store all your happy and wonderful moments, right? So do one thing. Please close your account before getting divorced, okay? And only then come back. Then for that, Aruna thought, yeah, it's very logic. I mean, exactly. Why do you even keep any such memories with this poor marriage? I'd rather close this account. So she takes the passbook and goes to the bank and stands in the queue. Well, it's a very long queue, guys. So what happened, when she was standing in the queue, she actually opened the passbook in order to see how much money they even accumulated. Well, in that process, her mother also stated one more thing. That is, whenever you're going to deposit some amount, do write the occasion so that it's a nice memory. Well, that actually, what happened? Aruna, when she was standing in the queue, she was reading all those comments. The first comment was Arun's birthday. Second comment was Arun got promoted, and then about their pregnancy, about their kid, their wonderful moments. Well, Aruna was reading all those pages. She was just, moving all those pages. Then she realized, and then she just drove back to her place and she handed over this passbook to Arun and stated, keep the money and there are those divorce papers. You just keep it with you. And she immediately drove to her mom's place. Well, by looking at the passbook and the moment she just went off, Arun thought, thank God. I got a really relief from her. Then immediately he took the passbook, went to the bank. Well, it was a long queue again. You know what he did? Even he went through all those pages. But then, you know what he did? When his turn came, he just cleared off everything and he drove back. He drove back to Aruna's place, not to his home. When he drove back to Aruna's place, well, Aruna's mother opened the door and she stated, okay, what is it now? Then he said, well, I want to talk to Aruna. That's what he stated. Then Aruna came out. He just put the passbook in her hand and he said, well, I just cleared everything now. For that, Aruna was shocked. She was in tears. She was thinking, well, I realized that it's our mistake, but why didn't he realize till now? Then he immediately stated, he held her hands and stated, Aruna, now I understand. It's not about those petty things. It's about the relationship. Then he stated, just open the passbook, dear. Then she found a new entry, guys, stating new beginning. Exactly. Aruna was overwhelmed with it. She felt so happy. Then she immediately looked at her mother. You know what her mother stated? Guys, she knew that Arun is also going to understand the situation. That's why she said, dear, I do understand. Things happen. There are so many ups and downs. But I always request you guys to understand one thing. Don't look at the place where you fell. Rather, look at the place from where you slipped. Exactly. And that is what she stated. And you know what she stated? She stated one more beautiful sentence, guys, like this. Dear, memories don't fade away. Make a lot of memories so that in hard times, it will help you to recollect all those beautiful moments and that will keep you both together. Okay? And then Arun took Aruna and they left from the place. Guys, and thereafter they lived very happily. The moral of the story is very simple, guys. There are ups and downs in life, undoubtedly. My only point is, when we cannot laugh at the same joke multiple times, why do we regret for the same mistake multiple times? Just move on. If there's anything flaw, accept it, understand, and correct it. It's okay. Mistakes are done by humans. At the end, should give another chance to ourselves in order to correct them and understand and then proceed with the correct things, right? So remember, guys, when we cannot laugh at same joke multiple times, why do we regret for the same mistake multiple times, right? So remember, guys, make a lot of memories because memories don't fade away. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.